inward bass. For this sound, we need to start with the chest bass. Try moving your neck forward in different positions to find the best spot to create a vibration. Once you find it, hold that position and do the chest bass again, but this time inward. Bonus step. Try singing melodies while performing your inward bass to develop a wider range. Well done! Time to freestyle with your new sound.
Yep.